nice fluorescent green relish.
Oh, relish for the Chicago dog.
Yep. 2 tomato wedges.
2 tomato wedges.
1 dill pickle spear, 2 sport peppers, some poppy seeds, and celery salt.
Awesome, and including the yellow mustard on top of that too.
Yep.
Under, okay. Awesome. Oh, yeah, for the Chicago dog, I got the last of the Hebrew National one. Hebrew National is really good too. Awesome. And you know it's kosher because Hebrew National. Oh man. Ouch. Awesome, cool, wonderful, and then wild card. Haha. This is the look of the Chicago dog with Hebrew National with Chicago relish, the yellow mustard, sports pepper, diced onions, and tomato wedges and stuff. $5 at BBS food truck.
Yep, in Erie, Pennsylvania.
EPA. There you go. With my good buddy serving the stuff. Super service. I'm gonna post on this. I'm gonna use the thumbnail for the one of the guys showed. Yeah, John's vouching now. Hey,
don't blame it on me, mother.
Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? Back to review a Chicago dog from BBS, which stands for either burgers, brats, and sausage, or brats, burgers, and sausage. Not to be confused with BTS or BTK, and different stuff altogether. But anyways, he had 2 types of hot. He had Smith and he had 1 Hebrew National. I asked, saying I had my choice, I had Hebrew National, which is $5. It has like the yellow mustard on there, the bright green Chicago relish. He said it tasted different than regular relish. It does taste different. And the diced onion.
Park
got,
Rangers. 2 of my friends are Park Rangers.
Yeah, you got pickle spears on it. Now if you do Britney Spears, and you got tomato wedges, and you got sports peppers on here. Good. Oh, yeah, that's me right there. So let's try it out. That's good, and that falls apart too. There's just so much juicy stuff in it. Not as juicy as Rita's though. Rita's juice is life. Mmm. It's really good. It's really good. Wow. Mmm. I have to ask Rita. And people from Chicago eat Chicago dogs. I don't know. I think I like the deep dish pizza.
I know Boston Pizza doesn't have any shops in Boston last night.
Really? Wow. Well, I know.
My buddy said the chain out there is Who Knows.
Who Knows? Oh, okay.
We don't have around here.
Yeah, well, they said like, it's like a.
It's maybe open up now.
Yeah. I mean, I tried deep dish pizza at Little Caesars. It's not the same thing. Because they said deep dish pizza in Chicago is like a casserole inside a
yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to try that.
One of my friends that used met before, he's talked about those. He has a family in Chicago.
Mm.
Just like he says, they're aim this way.
Mm.
Aim this way. Aim this way.
Oh,
Just like he's talking about this one sub shop you go to. And he says it's weird because you got to eat the subs like this.
Oh, wow.
Because they're so juicy, the juice will just run down
your man.
Arms there. Otherwise.
Yeah.
He says his wife didn't believe the first time she went. And then, oh, that's not true. And walks in, sees everyone's eating their subs like this because, you know, you get a nice beef sub and all the juice is just dripping.
Oh, man, that's what it was with like this, that quad, I don't want to say quadriplegic, quad burger I had. It was so good. But to see what I thought of the quad burger, you have to check on the quad burger review. But I mean, the Chicago dog is absolutely fantastic. Give it a 10 out of 10. Really good stuff. That my buddy, I mean, he's he's a really nice guy. He's a cool guy.
Very nice.
And very enthusiastic too. We got a lot of stuff, but it was fine. I made sure to get a Diet Coke. I have to watch my figure. So, there you have it from my review of the Chicago dog from BBS. So, I hope you like the video. Bye. Till next time, please. Take care, my legion.